some interesting spots. So as we can see, it all will depend on how large is our area and how we're going to treat it. If we want to use a large space, my recommendation is that we get it on a big picture, figure it out somewhere. For example, in this case, those 21. And I'm going to wait. What it will happen is now I can close it. Wait to upload. So I can close it. We have our file, we can open. And then our file will open up like this. We will find if it has a road. And so for this point, what we need to get is first we're going to go to the tools and we need to get the information of this model so we can have everything together. And it says it has these values. So I recommend you to use some notes to get that information properly set. So I'm just gonna call it sample for course. Minimum will be the lower nth corner coordinates, because those are the ones who will make everything work together. We will leave it like that. That's fine for us. And the next thing we need is connected. Then for that, the entire model being loaded. And then for the description, we're just going to get it for sample. Save it, export. And then we open model on the insert tab. We will ask where is the model that I want to import. Selected from the files. It's on course. The coordinate systems, I wanted to use the UTM-84 because it's going to change the coordinates to be planar. Then we have here refined selection. So far it's having the existing ground, transportation, and the roads. The other data it's clean, so we're not using it that. And then we open the model. The elevation curves and some surfaces, so we need to check it with the eyes of that reference. So for that purpose, I'm just going to write a line L command in Civil3D. It's L 0, 0, 0. And I'm going to connect it with this point. So if I get the properties, there is it, of that element, it says here the information I want to get. So those coordinates are the ones I'm going to be taking off. It's 79, 0, 691. It's so that will give us an idea of from the origin the datum systems. And now that we have to do is we need to check the units. We need to check that they are on the same page. It's in meters, 2 decimal places. We go okay, that's it. And then we need to check the site origin. So it says to check the site project base point. For that project base point, we want to change this information with the other one. So I'm just gonna need to get rid of the comma. The other one, it's getting rid of commas. And the last one, it's the elevation. So if we go to a section here, we can change it to be from the survey point we have checked, and the first level, the one that it's 0, 0, it's corresponding to our height from here, from the level we're getting it. Also the type of units will be useful if we just get it with 3 decimal places. And then when it's missing, we need to set the location for that file. So in this case, we have ping service. Then for the location, what we're going to do is we're going to change the default city lists, so it gets the information we're getting it. So in here we can change and place our address. It's 16.66. That goes in here. And then we can change the other one, the 96. The only thing to coordinates in Revit, we will need to move each single time we're creating an element to Infraworks. We just need to get the coordinate reference on the same spot.